Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes from around the world. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. May God richly bless you. Today, as you can see, we are doing chinchin. Ghanaians, we call it achomo. Okay, it's a very lovely snack that you can make. It's so easy to do. Just listen to the crunch. It's so delicious. So come along with me and let's do this. So guys, to start, I have my flour here. Okay, I'll put all the measurement down below in the description box. So I add my desiccated coconuts. Okay, it makes it so good. And I have some cinnamon, I have some salt and some nutmeg, and I add them all to it. You can add any flavor of your choice, but I just love this because it's so nice. Right, then you add a cold butter. Okay, make sure you incorporate the butter into the flour nicely, as you can see. Just look at the texture after adding the butter. Okay, so the next bit is to add some sugar. I'm adding brown sugar, but you can use any sugar of your choice. I just love using brown sugar because I love the taste. Okay, so guys, the next bit is to add some milk. I'm using evaporated milk. You can use any milk of your choice, and I add a bit of vanilla extract. Okay, I'll put all the measurements in the description box. All right, so you just add it to form a dough. So guys, our dough is done. As you can see, it's lovely. Okay, so the next bit is to just divide them into small pieces. I'm going to cut them to the shape I prefer. So guys, you can use any method of your choice. So this is the method I prefer. All right, so just follow along. Right, so as you can see, it's very easy to do. The kids can help. They love doing this. So as we are baking our achomo, I'll put this into the oven at 180 degrees until it's lovely crispy. As you can see, after 10 minutes, we just have to just stir it so that you remove all the ones that are stuck together, and then you put it back into the oven until it browns. So guys, this is our chinchin. I love it this way because it's so crunchy. I tell you, it's delicious and it's healthy. At least I didn't really fry it, so there's less oil. So if you like this recipe, guys, just give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Please do share this. Thank you very much. Bye.